Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have two affordable Watch Ultra clone. We have the T800 Ultra 2 and we have the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So we are going to compare, okay, in this video we are going to compare these two wearables. We are going to check on the design as well as the menus and features offered on both smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review of our T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch here and the other one is the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start and check on the design first of the wearable. So again, we have here the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, they almost have the same size of packaging. So the T800 Ultra 2, it is using the HRY Fine application, and as you can see here, it has a 2.3 inches screen display. While for the T900 Ultra 2, we do have, it is using the HiWatch Pro application, and it has a 2.19 inch screen display. It is much smaller compared to the 2.3 of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so let's arrange it like this. You can see both do have a 49mm body frame. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, so let's have a closer look here. Aluminum space, okay, or titanium color, while this one we do have a black color for the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, which is better, do you think? Okay, on the side, I don't know, but seems like the T900 Ultra do have a much bigger buttons here. Okay, or maybe it is just the color. On the other side, so we have both have the orange action button. It's almost similar in appearance here. Then on its back, as you can see here, the T800 Ultra 2 do have a much better back cover here. We do have a real watch strap lock as well as screws, while for the T900 Ultra 2, it is a fake, okay, watch strap lock. That's just the graphics here, drawing. The same with this one, the screw. Okay, so this one, it looks much better. Okay, it looks like the original, and both do have a wireless charging, okay, capability for charging the smartwatch. Okay, so in terms of design, I think it goes for the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the screen display. Let's change this one to a much lighter screen watch face. Okay, so it seems like it's just the same, but based on the box, this one is 2.3 while this one is 2.19. Okay, just a minor difference. For the UI, let's check. Okay, so the same notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings. I think it looks much better here in the T900 Ultra 2. Okay, on the other side, we have the split screen. Yes, the same, but I like the design of the T900 Ultra 2 here. On the right side, okay, you can change the screen watch faces. Different loaded watch faces except for this one. Okay, so let's check on the menus. Let's switch this one first. Let's change this to the list function or to the list style. Grid style is okay, so you can compare it properly. So we have here the dialer, dial, so the same, contacts, phone book, so the same features here. Also have the heart rate, pedometer, automatic activity tracking, just the same function here but just different label or name. Health tricyclic, while here we do have the pedometer. Blood oxygen, we also have it here. We almost have the same features here. Also have the sports, so let's check on the sports. We have walking, running, football. Oh, okay, basketball, rowing machine. Okay, let's see. Yoga, cycling, skipping, basketball. Okay, they almost have the same sports here also. With the T800, I think T800 do have a much, okay, they have a sports function here. Okay, several sports function. It has a several sports function compared to the T900 Ultra. Okay, it has a better list of sports function. Let's check on the running. We have here the running. It monitors for the time, distance in calories. Okay, stop. We have the heart rate. So let's see also the heart rate. Do they have the same UI? Okay, let's go for the heart rate here. So where's the heart rate? Yes, we have it here. Okay, so different design here, different style, but they have the same function. ECG, it seems like we don't have it here on the T800. Okay, let's go to the settings. Let's check more. Okay, as you can see here, the T900 Ultra do have a much better UI. Okay, but seems like both do have the same features, just different location but still the same uh, feature or menu offering. Okay, we also have here for the T900 support for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp application. So we also have it here. Facebook, Skype. We also have games here for the T800 Ultra. Do we have it here? We don't have games. Yeah, we also have a games here. Game. Let's check here. How many menus do we have? Or do we have an option here? We have at least 5. Here, let's check. How many menu options do we have? Style. We have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, we also have 6. Okay, as you can see on the T800 Ultra, it has a different options or different name for its menus and features, but it's also available here in the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, practically it's almost the same smartwatch, except that the T800 Ultra do have a much better body frame or design. Siri, set time. Let's go back to the settings here. Okay, change the watch face. Also have a password here. Backlight time. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch with the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, which do you think is better? For me, in terms of design, the T800 Ultra 2 do have a much better body frame. But when it comes to menus and feature offering, it's almost the same smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the T800 Ultra 2 versus the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video comparison, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye!